Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse the order of categories on a bar chart in Excel. Step 1. Check your chart. When you create a bar chart, Excel might automatically display your categories in ascending order. For example, my regions are sorted by revenue in descending order, but the chart shows them ascending. Step 2. Open the Format Axis pane. Double-click on any of the category axis labels. This opens the Format Axis task pane on the right-hand side of your screen. Step 3. Reverse the order. Make sure the Axis Options button is selected. It usually is by default. Scroll down until you see categories in reverse order. Tick the box, and your categories will now display in the correct descending order. And that's it. Your bar chart now correctly reflects the order of your data. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.